Hi everyone, we're going to learn on how to use My English Lab by Pearson as a trainer. First of all, you have to access the Pearson portal by going to Google and type Pearson portal. And then click on the first link. It says Pearson sign in. Then you need the username and password to sign in. For this video, I'm using my account, but later on, you will get your own username and password. And then click sign in. After you sign in, you will be in Pearson Portal dashboard, and you will find Roadmap Program. You can click the arrow down or up. Okay, and then choose My English Lab. You can click here or here, they're the same. After you click, now you will be in My English Lab home page. Make sure you have a good and stable internet connection. Now, in My English Lab, you will have assignments, course, gradebook, messages, and settings. In settings, you will find the list of your classes, and then if you click on Manage in your class, you will find the list of your students. Okay, if you click Action on a student, you will be able to change the password. Changing password is needed if the participants are not able to sign in or if their account is locked. Then you will have to change password and give the temporary password. If you go to messages, you will be able to send messages to your class in mail. If you go to gradebook, you will see the progress of your class. So, go to the gradebook. And then select your class here. Select the unit you want to see the progress. And then click on the participant's name. Make sure the total of the assignments for this program is 7. You will need to check the syllabus of the level, so these 7 assignments are related. And you also need to motivate the participants to complete all the assignments given. For the progress of the unit test, you can find them down here. If you want to assign your class, go to Course and choose your class. After choosing the class, select the unit that you wish to assign. So, open the roadmap syllabus as your guideline in giving the assignments. After you choose the assignments, then click Assign. The next step is important. This is the settings of the assignments which you have to follow. First, don't forget to click here, so any new students who just joined the class, they can also receive the assignments. Next step. Now, choose the start date. Let's say today is the synchronous session. That means they will start the next asynchronous session on Friday. Okay, so starts on Friday, and the due date is 2 weeks, and they will finish on 18. So go to the date and choose 18. Next step. Now, in activity attempts, you will have to choose 3 attempts. Automatically set score to 0% if student fails to submit an assignment or test. It has to be checked. So, if a participant could not finish the assignments, they will be automatically get 0. And then grade capitalization exercises off, grade punctuation off. And then students can see answers after 3 attempts. This is for the assignment. For the unit test, later on you will have to change the test attempt into 3. Right now we cannot change the test attempt because we are assigning assignments. Once you finish with the settings, then you will have to click assign, and then you click close. Now in assignments button, you can see the history and the list of your assignments. Go to assignments, then you will need to choose your class. Okay, now you will have the list of all your assignments that you just assigned. You can edit the due date as well by clicking here. It says the due date is 18 October, date assigned 3rd October, and then start date tomorrow. And if you want to edit, you can change the due date and you can change the start date. For your information, you can only change the start date only if the assignment has not started yet. And then after you change the due date, you can go click save. Alright, good luck.